Very tired of this school. Eh? I want to get Saga. Who even go to school? Nah, so you are tired. Keeping us like prisoners.
Nah, I don't know where they brought this Hashman span into this school.
She be that man.
Nah.
Agu!
Yes, Papa.
Anytime I call you, you answer me. I called you, you were just walking out anyhow. Agu, listen to me. Be very careful with me. Did you take any money from my box?
Money kwa. Onto stealing or what?
Agu, are you answering me with question? Agu, you're answering me, are you mad? I will slap you now.
Papa, you know I'm not mad, because madness is not in our blood.
Agu, if I find out that you took money from my box and you are lying to me, I will skin you alive. I must make sure you rot in jail. Don't worry. I will come to that your school. And when I come to your school, I will report you to the principal. And if you are found guilty, okay.
Papa, ego gidi osha dioji. I'm from, because I'm not a criminal.
Okay. We will know who the criminal is.
Let me have your dues.
Nah.
People, my dues this month was difficult to make up.
I stole my father's money just to pay my dues. And I don't know what it's going to result.
You guys are stupid for making such statements. We are bigger boys in this school. And we know this school. We are the owner of the school. We are big boys in the school. And we get the school. You hear me?
I defeat you.
Just formulate lies to your parents. Then collect the money from them. Is it not simple?
Skipper, don't say you're funny me. Which kind of life you have, man?
God. Just formulate first payment now. Tell them they are asked to pay for textbooks. Like dictionary. Can make it to be 3. Big, one textbook. Short, another textbook. Another textbook. Then you can get what you want from them.
Skipper,
I don't understand.
Oh, I know say it be like this. So you bad.
Happy more statement.
People, I don't feel that. Grab a bro. Don't be smart.
Skipper.
Nah, guy, the phone hand. I don't
Skipper.
understand.
Skipper, you don't know, man. Skipper, but you don't know, mama. Who you got there?
I don't feel that.
Skipper, come on, who you got there? Who on there? I need man.
Skipper, don't sense so.
Nah.
I dey feel you that Skipper.
The phone hand.
How you feel the phone is kind thing?
I don't want to hear that statement.
You like say you don't get sense.
Skipper.
You know say you get sense pass us now.
I go forget bullets for your body now.
Na Skipper na.
Skipper. Wait.
I don't want to hear that statement you make here.
I go stone you that.
Royal Prince Music, baby.
You see, I really wanna dedicate this song to you because you are so beautiful, young prince. Anytime I look your face, you guess what I see? I see us flowing like a sugar in a tea. Baby girl, come close and make I tell you how I feel. I swear this love no be fake, it's very real. Okay, anything you want, I go buy. Anywhere you want, we go fly. Anywhere you go, I go. Baby more, hey, anything you want, I go buy. Anywhere you want, we go fly. Anywhere you go, I go. Baby more, oh yeah, Baba, I'm a boy, oh yeah. See I love you.